The Hindu Thrap Youth Council, led by its General Secretary Roy Kumar Sindram, staged a protest in front of Meghalaya Secretariat in Shillong. Over 50 members of the council gathered and positioned themselves at the entrance gate, raising their voices against the MDA2 government's failure to address the various demands. The protests primarily focused on three major issues, that is implementation of inner line permit, the inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, and the group expressed frustration over the government's inability to take immediate action to halt illegal immigration into the state.
So our protest today is to send a very clear message to the government. No ILP means no railways, period, in the state of in Khasi and Jante Hills. That is the first thing. Second objective of this protest today is that we wanted to ask a question or to remind the state government. During the last 5 years, we have seen issues like the ILP, the Khasi language, as well as the amendment bill of the MRSSA 2020, which are still pending.